Hello and welcome. Today, our speakers will help you describe your family and friends in English. You'll learn how to talk about someone's personality, like being easygoing, and even describe what your close friends are like. Let's listen.
Hi, Mark. How are you today? This cafe is super busy, isn't it?
Hey, Sarah. I'm good, thanks. Yeah, it's always busy around 10 a.m. But I like the energy, you know?
Me too. I had a quick coffee earlier, but I'm still feeling really energized.
That's good. I'm feeling quite relaxed myself. Ready for our chat.
Great. So, I was thinking about our topic today. Describing family and friends.
Ah, yes. A good topic. Sometimes it's hard to find the right words in English, I think.
Exactly. Like, what does describe mean exactly?
Describe means to say what something or someone is like. You use words to paint a picture.
Oh, I see. Like, is someone tall or short? Are they happy or sad?
Yes, exactly. It's about how they look and how they act. Their personality.
Okay. So, let's start with family, then. How do you describe your family members, Mark?
My family? Well, I have one sister. She's older than me.
Oh, nice. What is she like?
She's very patient. Yes, that's a good word.
Patient. What does patient mean?
It means she can wait for a long time without getting angry. Or she can explain things many times.
Ah, like a teacher. My older brother is not patient at all. He's the opposite.
Ha ha. Yes, like a teacher. My sister is a really good cook, actually. She makes amazing Indian curry.
Wow, curry. That sounds delicious. Does she cook often?
Almost every Sunday. We all go to her place for dinner. She spends hours in the kitchen, but she doesn't mind.
That's so nice. So she's patient and a good cook. What about her personality?
She's also very easygoing. That's another good word.
Easygoing. So, she's relaxed?
Yes, she's relaxed. Not stressed easily. She always has a smile.
An easygoing person. That's a very useful phrase. I know some easygoing people.
What about your family, Sarah? How would you describe, maybe, your mom?
My mom? Oh, she's very creative. She loves to paint and draw.
Creative. That's lovely. Does she paint, pictures of landscapes?
Yes, landscapes and flowers. She sometimes spends hours in her studio, just painting.
That sounds peaceful. So, she's creative. Anything else?
She's also very kind. Always helping people, you know?
Kind. So, she's a nice person. She cares about others.
Yes, exactly. She's a very kind person. And she has a great sense of humor.
A sense of humor. So she likes to laugh?
Yes. And she makes me laugh a lot. My dad also has a good sense of humor.
That's nice to hear. It's good when your family makes you laugh.
It is. Okay, so we talked about family. Now, let's talk about friends.
Friends. Yes. My best friend, Mike.
Mike. How would you describe Mike?
Mike is very outgoing. He loves meeting new people and going to parties.
Outgoing. So, he's social? He likes to talk to many people?
Exactly. He's very social. He's never shy.
That's cool. I'm not always outgoing. Sometimes I'm shy.
Mike is also quite tall. Maybe 1 meter 90?
1 meter 90? Wow. That's quite tall. I'm only 1 meter 65.
Yes, he's very tall. And he has short, dark hair.
Short, dark hair. Okay. So, we can describe personality and appearance for friends too.
Yes, definitely. Appearance is easy, like tall or short, hair color, eye color.
What about hobbies? Can we use hobbies to describe friends?
Oh, for sure. Mike loves playing football. So, he's a sporty guy.
Sporty guy. I like that. I have a friend named Chloe.
Chloe. What's she like?
She's very chatty. She talks a lot, like me. Always has stories.
Chatty. I know some chatty people.
She's also quite fashionable. She always wears nice clothes.
Fashionable. That means she likes fashion?
Yes. She knows all the new styles. She has this bright blue coat that she loves.
A bright blue coat. That sounds easy to spot.
It is. I saw her in it at Tesco last week.
Okay, so personality, appearance, hobbies. What about types of friends? Like, close friend versus casual friend?
That's a good point. What's the difference, Mark?
Well, a close friend is someone you share everything with. You tell them your secrets. You see them often.
Yeah, like your best friend Mike. You trust him a lot, right?
Exactly. We've known each other since we were kids.
And a casual friend?
A casual friend is someone you know. You might say hi at work or in the street. But you don't share deep things.
I see what you mean. Like, maybe a neighbor you talk to sometimes?
Yes, exactly. Or a classmate you work on projects with but don't hang out with outside.
That makes sense. It's important to know the difference, I think.
It is. It helps you understand your relationships better.
This is really helpful, you know? Sometimes I just struggle to find the words.
I know what you mean. It's hard to practice if you don't have the words.
So, let's say I just met someone new. What's the easiest way to describe them?
For someone new, you can start with appearance. Are they tall or short? What color is their hair?
Okay, so physical things. Easy to see.
Yes. And maybe 1 or 2 personality words if you talk a little. Are they quiet or talkative?
Right. So I can say, she has long, brown hair and she's very talkative.
Perfect. That's a good start.
I had a moment once where I wanted to say my friend was, very funny, but I just said he was laughing good.
Laughing good?
Yeah. I knew it wasn't right, but I couldn't think of funny or sense of humor. It was kind of embarrassing.
It happens. We all do that. But funny and sense of humor are great phrases to remember.
They are. Okay, so we have personality, appearance, and relationships.
Yes. We covered a lot today.
So, let me see if I got everything. For family, we can describe their personality. Like, my mom is creative and kind.
Right. And your sister is patient and easygoing, correct?
Yes, my sister. Oh, I said your sister.
My sister is patient and easygoing.
Haha, right. And then for friends, we can describe their appearance, like your friend Mike is quite tall with dark hair.
Yes, and he's sporty because he plays football.
And my friend Chloe is chatty and fashionable with a bright blue coat.
That's right. And we talked about close friends and casual friends.
Yes. Close friends are people you share everything with, and casual friends are people you just know a little.
Exactly. You got all the main points, Sarah. Good job.
Thanks. It's really useful to have these words. It helps me feel more confident.
Me too. Describing people is a big part of daily conversation, isn't it?
It really is. When you meet someone new, or talk about old friends.
And it makes the conversation more interesting.
Definitely. I feel like I have more tools now.
Me too. So, next time I talk about my sister, I will remember patient and easygoing.
Yes. And I will try to describe my friends with their appearance and hobbies more.
That's a good plan. It's all about practice.
Absolutely. Thanks for the chat, Mark.
You too, Sarah. See you next week.
See you. Have a great afternoon.
Great job, English learners. Remember to practice describing the people around you, using words like easygoing and patient. It really helps your English flow.
Subscribe to English and Chill for more real conversations.